What is up, sis? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Kensha and welcome. So girl, in today's video, this is another Bath & Body Works collective haul. That seems to be the trend here on my channel. But I've purchased things when there was buy two, get two free with candles, buy three, get three free with body care, and just some of the other things that I picked up along for the summer collection. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned. All right, sis. So starting off this collective haul, these are the candles that I purchased during the buy two, get two free. So first off, we have ice cream bar. This is what it looks like. Super cute. Love the little ice cream truck with the ice cream treats on there. And of course, this packaging is a little textured. Scent notes of this candle is glazed chocolate wafer, vanilla ice cream, graham cracker crunch, and essential oils. So let's smell this one. This literally smells like chocolate chip ice cream on cold. I can't wait to burn this one. This one smells just like an ice cream treat on a hot day. It almost reminds me of like chocolate chips and cookie dough ice cream mixed together. That's what this smells like. This smells delicious. It literally smells like a bowl of ice cream. Next up, we have Summer Boardwalk. And of course, Summer Boardwalk just really looks like a carnival. Scent notes of Summer Boardwalk is caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, salty sweet cream. This to me just smells like caramel apples. That's all this smells like to me, is caramel apples. It smells good. It definitely reminds you of a fair, like going to like a summer fair and you smell all the foods and you get up to like the apple stand, the caramel apple stand. This is just what this smells like. Smells very delicious. It almost kind of reminds me a little bit of like a fall treat as well. You know how like in the fall time there's those fall fairs and they have those caramelized apples. This kind of gives me that kind of vibe. So I think this would be good to burn in the fall time as well. Next up, we have the infamous berry waffle cone. Now, I did not like berry waffle cone in the body care or the hand soap. So I figured I would like it a little bit better in the candle. It smells like ice cream. It smells like you get that waffle cone, you get those berries. This smells really good. Scent notes of berry waffle cone is sweet summer berries, golden waffle, and creamy vanilla. I mostly get the waffle cone and the berries. I don't get any vanilla in this, but this smells delicious. Last but not least, the last candle that I got for the buy two get two. This is Surf Shop. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to turn this lighting down. It's kind of bright. Surf Shop, super cute. Scent notes are oceanside birch, sparkling waves, and summer spruce and sage. This is one I was kind of excited about just by reading the scent notes online. And this literally just smells like, it kind of reminds me of some type of Axe body wash, but it smells like a sexy man. A sexy man that's about to go on the beach and surf. That's what this smells like, sis. Smells super good. This would be like a good scent, like if your man has like a man cave, this would be a good scent to burn. Alright, so let's get into some of the items that I purchased that came in on my online order. So first up, we have Bonfire Bash. Absolutely loving the packaging for Bonfire Bash. Love the glitter top. This is actually my first time owning Bonfire Bash, so I was super excited to pick this up. Scent notes are vanilla bourbon, creamy sandalwood, and cashmere musk. Now, I've already sprayed Bonfire Bash, and just right off the bat, like to me, this literally smells like you're at a campfire and you're roasting marshmallows, and you know that moment when you pull your marshmallows together after it's toasty, it literally just smells creamy and sweet like that to me. It doesn't have like a smoky note, but you definitely get like the vanilla and the bourbon. It's just really sweet. It's not sickeningly sweet, but it's the perfect amount of sweetness that you would get at a campfire. That's the best way I can describe this scent. It just smells so good. So I was decided to pick this up. So I picked it up, the shower gel, and I also picked this up in the body cream. And also, I want to mention before I get a little ahead of myself, I did buy all of the shower gels that you guys are going to see with the buy 3, get 3 free. And I also had a 20% off. So that basically made these like $5.40 or something like that. So super excited I got those. Next up, we have Sunkissed. Now, I know at first I was like, I don't like Sunkissed. I actually left this comment on a few people's posts that were asking about Sunkissed. I didn't like Sunkissed at first. I want to say I've had a change of heart, kind of. I picked up Sunkissed in the body mist. And I also picked this up in the body cream. Now, hear me out. So, to me, Sunkissed smells very much better in the lotion than the spray. I definitely get like a suntan scent in the body spray. But y'all, this was a scent, literally every time I went into the store at Bath & Body Works, this was a scent that I was just kind of like gravitating towards to put on my hands after they spray your hands with hand sanitizer. I would literally just go up and put this on my hands. And y'all, this is a scent that kind of stuck with me. So scent notes are sun-drenched orange blossom, sparkling sea salt, and vanilla breeze. Now, like I said, I don't get the suntan lotion scent in the body cream. To me, I definitely get that floral of the orange blossom. To me, it literally smells like a dried orange blossom. And if you were to like just have some type of vanilla oil over it, like you just sprinkle that on top, that's what this smells like. It's so divine. I love it. I don't get the suntan lotion smell in this. So I would say if you're wanting to try out Sunkissed, don't get it in the body mist. I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep the body mist, but I know for sure I'm going to keep it in the body cream. Now, you know, Bath & Body Works scents, typically you smell different scents in different versions of that scent. Different forms of the scent, that's what I mean. Different forms of the scent. So this smells better to me in the body cream. Next up, I have sea salt and lavender. Y'all, if you've watched my like floral top five floral scents, you know from that video I do have like rainy day scents that I love to wear on rainy day. Sea salt and lavender, I find it's like one of my rainy day scents that I've been wearing. Scent notes are sea salt, blooming lavender, and sun-drenched sands. I picked this up in the body mist. And I have the lotion around here somewhere. I just picked it up in the body lotion. But y'all, this is like the perfect lavender scent. It's not too strong. It's very soft. It almost has like a powdery undertone on me. The sun-drenched sands really brings kind of like the warmth to the scent. It definitely keeps the lavender tone down. I would say pick this up if you're not too big on lavender, but you kind of want to try a lavender scent. I would highly recommend this. It almost has like a baby powder essence to it, to me. But I've really been enjoying this for the rainy days. Oh, here goes the lotion, y'all. I did pick this up in the lotion. Okay, another scent that I picked up was Grapefruit Rose. You know, if you watched my previous summer collection, I did already pick this up in the body mist and store. So I went ahead and picked it up in the body wash. Scent notes are sparkling grapefruit, frozen rosé, and some splashed sugar. This is just a perfect sugary sweet grapefruit scent. Y'all, here is my baby. This is literally my favorite scent from the entire collection. This is Sun Denim and Daisies. I picked it up in the lotion, and y'all, it's on flat. So I'm gonna have to pick up like a backup of this, because I've been loving it. And I also picked it up in the body wash. Next up, we have Midnight Swim. Now, this is another scent that I've actually been liking. It's definitely a unisex, fresh, aquatic scent. Scent notes are blue water, beach flower, and coastal air. You definitely get the beach flower and, like, I guess the blue waters. The blue waters kind of brings it more of it, like, it brings the musk and, like, unisex in the scent. This is one that I've been wearing just kind of like when I don't know what I want to wear. I put this on and it lasts all day. So I picked this up in the body mist and the shower gel. I have the lotion around here somewhere, but I think I hauled that in my previous video. So I also picked up the rest of Midsummer Dream. In my previous video, I think I showed you guys just the body lotion. I couldn't get enough of it, so I actually picked up the Ultra Hydrating Body Cream. And I also picked it up in the shower gel. And then I went to the store. I don't know if I'm going to show clips of the store, but this is when the collection first released. I found some hand sanitizers. I did post it on my community tab. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can see everything that I post on my community tab. So the first scent that I found was Cotton Candy Clouds. Y'all, they are coming out with the body care for Cotton Candy Clouds for SAS. I'm super excited about that. So I'm glad that I was able to find the hand sanitizer in it. And it says be happy. Y'all, I'm just loving the tie-dye. It reminds me so much of the early 2000s, early 90s, late 2000s is what I'm trying to say, because your girl is definitely a 90s baby. Next up, we have Mango Swirled. I like this one as well. This one smells really good. I also picked up Boardwalk Vanilla Cone. I just think I have my lighting too bright, y'all, but that's what that one looks like. And last but not least, I picked up Sea Salt and Blue Skies. That's another gorgeous one. So those hand sanitizers smell actually really, really divine. I did forget to mention that I did pick up Sea Salt and Lavender and the shower gel. Along with that buy 3 get 3 free, I picked up You're the One. This is kind of like a straggler. But Renee Corsi, shout out to you, sis. She told me that she felt like You're the One in the body wash, you get more of that strawberry scent, because I've been saying like I never get the strawberry nectar scent. All I smell is the white birch and the rose. So girl, you was right. Like I definitely get more of the strawberry nectar in the body wash. So shout out to you, sis, for letting your girl know. So the last item I have to show you guys is a return that I did in store. I had some backups of some products, so I went ahead and just exchanged those out. And my store actually had Bali Black Coconut Sands. First off, sis, why didn't you tell me this coconut scent was bomb? Like, I see why a lot of people like this. This is a scent from like a couple of years ago, but my store has it now where you can pick it up. But y'all, this is divine. I need the shower gel. I also picked it up in the body cream as well. Scent notes are coconut milk, sea salt musk, and black sand. This just smells so good. You definitely get the coconut milk. It does smell like coconut milk. and you get a little bit of a sea salt. But y'all, this might be like my go-to coconut scent. I definitely like, I wish they would have added this to the tropical collection that came out. So yeah, SAS, I'm coming for you, shower gel in Bali black coconut sands. So this is kind of random, but would you guys want to see my recommendations or items that I'm looking for during SAS? Because I have a list ready to go. So let me know down below if you want to see that kind of video. So now that you guys have seen everything that I picked up and hauled from online, I kind of want to do like a ranking part of the summer collection. So let's get into it. So there are a total of 6 scents. 2 of those scents I did not pick up. So I did not pick up berry waffle cone. It was just not my cup of tea, and your girl does not really care too much for gourmand scents. And I also did not pick up firecracker pops. I actually had it, but it just did this like weird kind of like smoky burnt smell on me, and then like the cherry in it really smelled what's the best way I can describe it, like cough syrup, and it was not long lasting, so I took that back. So based on the 6 scents I have here, number 6 is gonna be Grapefruit Rose. I like it, but it's not my favorite. I will say that. I will probably wear this on hot days, but it just hasn't been hot enough for me to wear it. Number 5 would have to be a Midsummer Dream. This is another scent that I feel like it's just not hot enough in Arkansas right now for me to wear it. But I think this actually might pair well with Victoria's Secret at the beach, because they have similar notes. So I'm excited to try this one out once the weather starts getting a little bit warmer. Number 4, y'all, this is getting a little bit hard for me. Number 4, I would have to rank Sunkissed, not just by the performance of the body mist, more so the body cream. Love the body cream in this. Don't really care too much for the body mist, so I might actually take the body mist back. But just based on how I feel about the body cream, I really enjoy it. Number 3 would have to be Bonfire Bash. I really like it. It's not overly sweet, and it doesn't give me a headache. I could definitely see myself purchasing backups of this one during SAS. Number 3 would have to be Sea Salt and Lavender. This is like a baby of mine. The more it rains outside, the more I find myself gravitating towards this, especially at nighttime, because I find it to be very soothing, relaxing, and it just kind of like puts you in a good mood type of scent. Number 2 would have to be Midnight Swim. I have used a lot of this, if you guys cannot tell. This has just been like a scent that I grab when I really don't know what I want to wear. And I find that that happens to me a lot, simply because my collection is so big. And number 1, it has to be absolutely Denim and Daisies. I know for sure during SAS, towards the end of SAS, if they have this 75% off, I'm getting me another backup. So yeah, girl, that's the end of this haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below what's your favorite body mist scent from this collection, and also let me know if you picked up some candles. So that is it, sis, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.